Greetings, APUS students. Some of you have asked about resubmitting your essay, making corrections to your essay and resubmitting. I'm going to show you the process. It's got a couple of steps, but I want to make sure this is an experience we grow from and get better. I talk kind of slow sometimes, so if you want to speed this video up when you watch it, I will not be offended. Go to your assignment. It's under Unit 2, long essay. Open up that assignment, and you can see up here it says submitted. And if you were to click on submission details, you could see exactly what I see. So if you ever want to know, did you get this paper, Mr. West? You don't need to ask me that. You can just click on submission details. It'll show you exactly what I see. And if you see here, it says view rubric evaluation. I could click here and view the rubric, but I could also view it while looking at my essay. So I'm going to do that. Let's get this off. There we go. Okay, here's my essay. And how'd I do? Oh, okay, on context, I got a 3 out of 3. Thesis, I got a smiley face as well. Evidence, did well on evidence. Use of evidence, got partial credit on use of evidence. It says here, third paragraph's topic sentence does not compare. Interesting. Okay. How about historical reasoning? How was my comparison? Well, didn't get full credit, didn't get 2. Ooh, only got a 1 out of 3 there. That shouldn't be a smiley face. That should be a frowny face, but I messed up making the rubric. Comments, it said the second and the third paragraph need clinchers. Oh, okay. Well, I wish I would have done better, but these are easy fixes. So let me show you what you're going to do, okay? Copy the first comment, all right? And then, right, and I hit Command C on a Mac to do that. Close that, and I'm going to add a comment. Third paragraph's topic sentence does not compare. I'm going to tell Mr. West that this is in green. Just pick a color, okay? I'm going to look at the rubric again now. Second and third paragraph need clinchers. I highlight that. Command C. Close the rubric. And second and third paragraph need clinchers. I'm going to tell Mr. West this is in blue. No, blue is going to be hard to see. Let's do in orange. Go Pacers. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is, you guys probably have your essay in more than one place. You could copy it from your Google Doc that you typed it in originally, or you could just copy it right here. Again, Command C. I'm going to click Resubmit Assignment. And now I've got a new text box, okay? So I know that I need to change my first topic sentence. So Spain and France had colonized North America with 2 different economic plans. This is the one that was the problem, though. Due to their good trade relations, the French had also been more willing to help the Native Americans. Okay, I'm going to take this sentence out and change it and replace it with the Spanish enforced military rule over natives, while the French treated them as equal trading partners. There we go. And I told Mr. West that that fix would be in green. So I'm going to go up here to this background color. I'm going to change it to a nice light green. There we go. Now, when Mr. West grades it, he can look and see what I've changed to be green. I also needed to add some clincher statements, and I told him I put those in blue. So Spain and France had colonized North America with 2 different economic plans. Though they both wanted to gain money, Spain was much more violent. They would conquer Native American society, for example. He later took the people prisoner. The French, however, had been more open to trading with the Native Americans. They had established many trading posts along rivers, specifically the St. Lawrence River, when first colonizing the Americas. Okay, let's put my clincher in here. Although both profited in the New World, Spain's use of force and control drastically different than the cooperative relationship fostered by the French. And I'm just going to highlight that sentence and change the background color to, let's make it a nice light blue, like I told him. Now, let's go down here. Let's see. The French had mediated between warring tribes, intermarried. The Spanish, on the other hand, had enforced the income system. As slaves, they stole their land and slaughtered the people. So let's wrap up that sentence. All right. The relationship that developed between the French and Native Americans was much more considerate and respectful as compared to the Spanish dominance in the Southwest. I'm going to make that dominance over Native Americans in the Southwest. Highlight that and make it, what again? Blue. And it's just that easy. You're going to click Submit Assignment, okay? Now, let me show you guys what I'm going to see on my end. This will help maybe, if you're ready to go ahead and go do it. If you want to see what it looks like for me, so let's go and I'm going to go into SpeedGrader. And I'm going to change this so that I'm looking at there. So I submitted this as the test student. Now here was the test student's first submission, okay? Here's the scores that they got, okay? And now if I click here though, you can see that message disappears. I get a message when I'm looking at your not most recent submission. It always auto defaults. It automatically clicks me over to your most recent submission. So if you ever submit something 6 times, don't worry. I will first see the last one you submitted. Now the rubric still looks the same, but me, Mr. West, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change some of these grades, okay, because improvements have been made. But you can clearly see over here the corrections and how they're highlighted. And then Mr. West, me, will also see how you've indicated. Oh, shoot, I said orange, not blue. Oh, well, you guys understand.